Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell digital images on Etsy. Sell PNG designs on Etsy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, typically when you say digital images, this will consist of designs that you have created to sell in Etsy. Now, since digital image is a very broad term, you can think of it as some digital patterns or literally that is digital and an image. So you could consider stickers or you could consider patterns or you could even consider AI generated images. So I'm going to be showing you how you could create your own digital images that you could start selling in Etsy for you to start earning money. So the main platform that we will be using today is Canva. Canva is an amazing platform that would allow us to complete our project for today's video, and you could use it for any other type of project as well. So I'm not going to talk much about Canva, so let's dive right in. Now, like I said earlier in Etsy, this typically consists, or since the term is digital PNG, anything that is an image is allowed or part of the things that you could sell. Earlier, actually, I saw an item that is just selling some images like stickers for you to use. So in Canva, let's actually create a design over here. Let's go with an Instagram post square so that we have a nice one by one area. In Canva, you will be able to use and create elements over here. So you can easily create amazing or easy images with a few clicks. So for example, let's demonstrate a few demonstration over here. For example, we have this cat over here. Then we could have like a dialogue if you want something like this. You can put that. Then you could add maybe, let's say, meow pixelated. Then you will be able to see like other elements over here, although the meow isn't really showing over here, but there are other elements that we could use. So like this. Let's check out other things as well that we may be able to add. We could add this at the background or something. We could add this. But I think let's remove the dialogue for now, I guess. Then we could put this on the top. If you understand the idea that I'm trying to show right now, basically you could put together multiple elements to create a very simple design for you guys to be able to actually sell. So we have this one. Let's have this one, or rather have this one over here. Then you could think of this as an idea of like an app that is cat themed, something like that. Then we could change the background to a different color. Let's go with sky blue. Go over here, something like that. Then we could go back to elements. Let's see other elements that we could actually add. For example, this one over here. And very simple designs and something like that. Now you have a very simple design that we have just created over here by using Canva. Now it's a very cute PNG. Now you could now use this. You can click on share, download, and download it as a PNG. And now this can be part of an image that you could start selling. Now you can simply play around, spend a little hour or a little time creating random designs in Canva. It's something like this or something like a digital PNG. It's not something you typically sell with just it alone. So this type of products or this type of items that you're going to sell, you need to have a large compilations of different items. Because having a lot of options or having a lot of things to get from a product would allow or would make the users or the buyers want your product more because they will be getting a lot for the price that they are paying. So you could or you should create a lot of designs for them to choose from. And by doing so, you will be able to have better chances of earning a lot of money. So for example, we could do more designs over here. You could go with simple designs, or you could start creating complicated designs as well. Right now, the theme is pixelated, so that's what I'm going with right now. but you guys can do other themes as well. It's completely up to you. Position this to the back. Then let's add like a floor, something like this. There we go. Then you have a very simple design. Let's extend this. Let's actually make this smaller. So like that. Now you have another design that we have just created that you could do and continue more and more until you are able to create a large collection of designs for you to start selling. Now that is just one of the ideas of how you could create some digital PNGs that you could sell. And I suggest that you have a specific theme or a lot of theme at least, so that your customers will be getting a lot of bundles. You can also start creating some stickers if you want. So like you could get an element over here just like that, and you could put another element like this. Now you could have this as like a sticker for you to include in the package, something like that. Or you could also use AI. We could use Leonardo AI over here. This is a free platform that would allow us to actually create any type of image that you want, which you could also start selling. I have generated images before. For example, this one. This has been generated by an AI, and it has a lot of things in it. And it can be something that you could include in the package of what they can be getting. It's an amazing image, as you can see. And over here in Leonardo, let's go check out. What I like to do in Leonardo is actually visit the community showcase, which is this one over here, and try to recreate some images that people or other people have generated before. So for example, this one, we could try generating this. Generate with this model by copying the prompt, and we could change it. So instead of deer, we could change it into a cat, something like that. So as you can see, deer, and the cat, and click on generate. And then we will be able to generate virtually anything that we want by simply typing in a prompt over here. And what I like to do is to go visit the community showcase, copy other people's prompts so that I have specification or like a basis of what style it would appear to or appear with, and then change some elements or some text to be able to have my own unique results. For example, this one, we have a very cute cat over here. Simply click on download. Now go over here, put it over here. Now we have a part or an image that will be part of our image bundle. There we go. Now you have this. And you could do other patterns as well. You could do and try other images. It is completely up to you. The way you gather your images will be up to how much you guys will be able to spend time with or put an effort on creating the outputs that you are seeing right now. So simply take your time, build your bundle, and eventually you will be able to have enough images for you to create some image or some product in Etsy for you to sell. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.